I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Nintendo account is signed in on the Switch and that the account region matches the gift card region. This prevents redemption errors. Once done, make sure you know the Epic Games account email you'll use because you'll link the Switch to Epic later. Now open the Nintendo eShop on the console. You'll need to access the redeem code option. This first action sets up account compatibility and avoids region or linking problems before you apply the card. You next open the Nintendo eShop with the signed-in profile and choose redeem code to enter the 16-character code printed on the Fortnite gift card. Type it exactly as shown. Hyphens or spaces matter depending on the card, so double-check each character to avoid rejection. After confirming, the balance will appear in your Nintendo eShop wallet. If the card is Fortnite-specific, it may apply directly as Fortnite credit once you open the game. Make sure the amount matches before proceeding. You finish by launching Fortnite, navigating to the item shop, and purchasing V-Bucks using your newly added eShop balance. This converts your gift card value into in-game currency. If the game prompts you to link an Epic Games account, follow the on-screen linking flow and verify via the email you prepared earlier. Linking ensures purchases sync across platforms. If anything fails, clear the Switch cache, fully restart the console, and retry. If problems persist, contact Nintendo or Epic support with your purchase details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.